The linked self-unloading press is an industrial equipment integrating pressing and automatic unloading functions, primarily used for pressing applications such as cassava wet pulp and cassava wet residue. It achieves solid liquid separation through mechanical or hydraulic systems, automatically discharging the filter cake after pressing to enhance production efficiency. The core advantage lies in its linked design, enabling seamless integration of pressing and unloading processes, minimizing manual intervention and supporting continuous production. Its working principle typically combines hydraulic compression and chain transmission. Under hydraulic pressure, the pressing plate compresses the material progressively. The liquid passes through the filter mesh into the liquid collection tray, while the dry matter is conveyed by a chain-driven mechanism to the discharge end, where it is automatically tipped out via a flip bucket. The specific process is as follows. 1. The grated cassava wet mash is fed into the filter cloth-lined pressing chamber manually or via a conveyor. Once feeding is complete, the hydraulic system stands by. 2. The pump station starts, and hydraulic oil drives the main cylinder downward, forcing the pressing plate to compress the material strongly. Moisture is squeezed out through the filter cloth into the collection tray, forming a filter cake with moisture content reduced to below 40%. 3. After reaching the set pressure, pressure can be maintained to further expel interstitial water, achieving more thorough dewatering. For once pressure holding ends, the cylinder retracts, lifting the pressing plate fully. The linked unloading mechanism synchronously activates. The pressing frame automatically flips to discharge the filter cake, which separates from the filter cloth and falls cleanly into a collection trough or conveyor. Completely hands-free, no material adhesion, no clogging.